Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by aligning assets to search behavior. Audit 3 to 5 successful posts to find recurring words, formats, and times that drive clicks. Once done, pick 2 or 3 target keywords and related synonyms to guide captions, hashtags, and image text. This gives you focus. Make sure profile fields are optimized. A clear name, bio with keywords, and a pinned link or highlight that matches your campaign. This establishes the searchable foundation you will repeatedly iterate on. Now you produce content that serves both people and algorithms. Write captions that place the primary keyword within the first 1 to 2 lines so discovery surfaces it. In addition, add descriptive alt text and name image files with keywords. These are read by search systems. Once posted, pin keyword-rich comments or CTAs. Vary format, short clips, carousels, long-form captions, to test what signals engagement best, and track which combinations increase impressions and profile visits. You finish by scaling the winners and measuring precisely. Monitor impressions, saves, and click-through rate against your baseline every week to see what improves discovery. Once you identify top performers, a /B test 2 caption lengths, 3 hashtag mixes, and 1 consistent CTA to isolate impact. If visibility drops, don't panic. Refresh your keyword set, swap the thumbnail or lead image, then repost or boost the piece. One key troubleshooting tip. If reach stalls, audit recent algorithm changes and update metadata accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.